Okay, so I'm going to explain a little bit about what we've been doing on the pre-intermediate group. Now, people are whispering and chatting a little bit in the background because they're doing the final exercise. So, here is the most basic form of the future. It's the verb will. And it's very, very easy because whatever we use, whatever subject we use, it's just I will go, you will go, he will go, she will go. It's very simple. We always use the infinitive form of the verb. Now, some people struggle with the negative here. Listen to the pronunciation, it's won't. Oh, won't. It's difficult because it sounds a bit like want or wants, but it's not, it's won't. So if you're struggling with this, you can say he will go, he will not go, and that's fine. But this is the elementary stuff, and we're on the pre-intermediate group. So what I've been trying to teach people are all these different ways of talking about what we want for the future. So we've got this planning word. A short question, are you planning to have any days or weekends in the near future? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. This is very similar to present continuous. I am planning to do something in the future, because we use present continuous for the future as well. This is also very, very similar to going to. I am planning to go to Europe. I am going to visit my friend later. I'm going to visit my friend. This is called future simple with going to. I'm planning to go is also talking about the future, but instead of using going to, it's planning to, but it's the same language where we're using subject, the auxiliary verb to be, and the planning. And we just have to remember that when we're using these, that it's planning to go, planning to see, planning to visit, or going to visit, going to see, going to eat. We have to use going plus to plus the infinitive for these things. Now you can do a little bit more work on going to by visiting, keep that focused there, keep it focused there. by looking at this book and doing Unit 56, which will help you with going to. And remember that planning to is similar to that. This is the book. Then we were looking at I would like to, or would you like to, as a question. Now, he would like to go to Scotland is exactly the same saying he wants to go to Scotland. I would like to go to Scotland is the same as saying I want to go to Scotland. Would like to is a bit more polite, and I like it. Here's some lovely questions. Here are some lovely questions. Which places near your home would you like to visit? Well, I would like to visit, and then wherever you want to go. So it's slightly different to want, but it's similar. He wants to go to Scotland. He would like to go to Scotland. So it's similar. It's just it's more polite to say that. And there are a few extra sentences here. Basically, Unit 34 of Essential Grammar and Use will deepen that for you and give you some good exercises around that. Now, the last one that we struggled with a little bit, because it is very new, and in fact, it's not in this book, because rather is really taking you up to the next level, which is what I'm trying to do, guys. I'm trying to get pre-intermediates learning the language of the next level up sometimes. And that's what this word rather does. Here it is. For a weekend away, would you rather visit the mountains, the seaside, or a city? We do this. It's like saying, would you prefer to visit? But we use it slightly differently. We say, would you rather visit? There's no to with rather. So I would rather go to the seaside is a good answer. So with rather, we give choices. Yeah? Would you rather do this or this or this? Sometimes we can use the word rather to compare. Well, I would rather have my hair cut than go to the dentist, for example, just as an example. So we can use rather for lots of different things. The problem is the word rather isn't in this book. I've noted down Unit 52, which gives you some work all around the word prefer. I would prefer to do this, because it's quite similar, but remember that prefer to do that, or rather do that. So those are the differences for those. I think that's about it. Thank you.